Alright folks, kia ora folks, RDB'S Bushman here. I thought I'd show you guys today's one of my stealth campsites. There's quite a few in this place.
Kia ora folks, RDB, your local Bushman here.
There is one over there, okay? There's one up here, up this little track here. Now this is somewhere in Nelson. I'm not going to tell you where, but there's quite a few places in Nelson. Now, as you guys might or might not be apprised, unfortunately due to financial issues, I've had to camp here for about 9 days. 9 days. So, it's been a while since I've been back on the trail, but I'm very good up here. You can get a lot of good astrophotography. Pretty nice view. Stealth camp. Someone's been in. There's actually a few here. You can't see that well, but someone slept right in here. You can tell it's a TA hiker. You can tell. And someone slept here. And here. Now, you're probably thinking, is it a non-TA hiker? I don't think so. I think it's a TA hiker. So what I was speaking to from locals around here is they know TA hikers stay here on this old part of this park, right? You do have locals that freedom camp just over there behind these bushes towards the used part, but this is the old part. No one uses it. You can check it out. It's overgrown, so no one uses it. See, it's even got blackberry, freaking annoying stuff. But yeah, it's definitely people use it. Some people use it with a swimming hole. That's the original swimming hole access down this track here. But there's another one on the other side. Well, I thought I'd show you guys that. In between my ordeal of freedom camping. 8 days in a row.